Hello and welcome. In this math tutorial, our task is to find the value of log to be 6 of 16, given that log to be 12 of 2 is equal to 8. Now, to solve this problem, let us remember that if we have a statement such as log to be x of y is equal to z, this can also be written in exponential form as x to the power z is equal to y. So we have that y is equal to x raised to the power z. That means that we can write this first statement as 2 is equal to 12 raised to the power a. Now, the next thing we are going to do is that we will raise both sides of this equation to power 1 over a. That is the reciprocal of this. So we have 2 to the power 1 over a is equal to 12 to the power a to the power 1 over a. Now, from our laws of indices, you know that for us to get rid of these brackets, all we need to do is to multiply these two powers. And of course, a times 1 over a is equal to 1. So we have that 2 to the power 1 over a is equal to 12. Now, the next thing we are going to do is that we will express 12 as 4 times 3. So we have that 2 to the power 1 over a is equal to 3 times 4. Now, let us divide both sides of this equation by 4. When we do that, on the left-hand side, we have 2 to the power 1 over a divided by 4. And of course, on the right-hand side, we now have 3. Of course, you know that 4 is 2 squared. So here we have 2 to the power 1 over a divided by 2 squared. And this is equal to 3. Now, once more, from our laws of indices, remember that when we divide two numbers with the same base, all we have to do is to subtract this exponent from that. So we have that 2 to the power 1 over a minus 2 is equal to 3. Now, coming over to this, let log to be 6 of 16 be equal to the letter d. That means that we can write this as 16 is equal to 6 to the power d. Once more, let us raise both sides of this equation to the power 1 over d. That is the reciprocal of this. When we do that, we have that 16 to the power 1 over d is equal to 6 to the power d to the power 1 over d. Of course, d times 1 over d is equal to 1. So we have that 16 to the power 1 over d is equal to 6. Now, remember that 16 is 2 to the power 4. So we can write this left-hand side as 2 to the power 4 to the power 1 over d. And we can write the right-hand side as 2 times 3. 4 times 1 over d is 4 over d. This is equal to 2 times 3. Let us divide both sides of this equation by 2. When we do that, we have that 2 to the power 4 over d divided by 2 is equal to 3. Of course, this is 2 to the power 1. Once more, we can write the left-hand side as 2 to the power 4 over d minus 1. And this is equal to 3, of course, from our laws of indices. Now, finally, from this statement, we have that 2 to the power 1 over a minus 2 is equal to 3. And from the second statement, we have that 2 to the power 4 over d minus 1 is also equal to 3. Now, since this is equal to 3 and this is also equal to 3, that simply means that this must be equal to that. So we have that 2 to the power 4 over d minus 1 is equal to 2 to the power 1 over a minus 2. Now we have the same base on both sides of this equation, so we can go ahead and equate the exponents. When we do that, we have that 4 over d minus 1 is equal to 1 over a minus 2. Do not remember that we are looking for the value of b in terms of a. Now, what we are going to do is that we will move this over to the right-hand side. When we do that, we have that 4 over d is equal to 1 over a minus 2 plus 1. Now, minus 2 plus 1 is equal to minus 1. So we have that 4 over d is equal to 1 over a minus 1. Let us combine these two fractions into one single unit. We have a times minus 1, that is minus a. So in the numerator, we are going to have 1 minus a. And of course, in the denominator, we are going to have a. Now, the next thing we are going to do is to take reciprocal of both sides of the equation. That is, we simply flip both sides of the equation upside down. So here we now have d over 4. And here we have a over 1 minus a. And finally, to find the value of d, all we need to do is to multiply both sides of this equation by 4. When we do that, we have that d is equal to 4a divided by 1 minus a. So when log to base 12 of 2 is equal to a, then log to base 6 of 16 is equal to 4a over 1 minus a. And with that, we come to the end of this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. If you enjoy such content, please subscribe to the channel. Leave us a like to support the channel and a comment. Thanks for watching, and you can see more videos here.